how to contact and chat with shop owner seller on Etsy. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is so simple and easy. Just go to etsy.com, log into your account or create one. Now choose the product. For example, I'm gonna choose this one. Now if you want to go to the store or the seller, this one is here. Click on the owner, and now all what you have to do, this is the shop as you can see. And if you want to contact the seller or the shop owner, just scroll down and click on contact shop owner. Now you can chat with the shop owner here easily, as you can see. If you need something or you want to request something or anything, you can just contact from here, as you can see. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.